Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's New Year's and we're at Casa Morelos for reviewing food today. And they have a bunch of food. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, so we'll see. And also we have some New Year's shout outs today. First off, shout out to Connor and Nick who can't be here today, but they helped me get this far, and we'll have a lot of more videos to come. And then shout out to family for helping, and my dad for filming all our videos for us. And yeah. And also while we were here, there's like some Canadians who did some football. Shout out to them too. They subscribed, pretty sure. And then yeah. Anyway, we're gonna be getting some food here, and then we're gonna go to a fireworks show after this at the place we're staying. Should be pretty cool. So yeah. Wait. Chip review of salsa, got this one. So, first the green one. Good. 10 out of 10. We have some guacamole here. Fresh avocados. Alright guys, so some of my favorite Caesar salad I've had is at a restaurant that's in Ixtapa, but we'll see how this one compares to it. Looks pretty good. Got croutons, salad dressing, cheese. We need crouton in this bite. Good, mommy? Guys, for the second straight video, we've been to a restaurant and we got a food that they just gave to us. It's another tamale, so we'll try this. It's a chicken tamale. See how it is. It's really good. I mean, all tamales are good, but this one's really good as well. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Alright guys, so this is the main dish. I got lasagna. I've actually had lasagna here before. It's really good. You can see it here. So it has meat, cheese, tomato, pasta. It's a meat lasagna. So yeah, this is my bite.
It's salsified, Mom. Oh, there's another little strip of it. Oh, there it is.
Delicious. Really good. Really good lasagna. Meat was good. Everything's nice and warm, delicious. So this is a 10 out of 10 lasagna for New Year's dinner. Final review, guys. So food was a 9.5 out of 10. It was really good. Service really fast. They're all nice. And it was also, actually we got here before there was a lot of people, but it was pretty fast, so 10 out of 10. And then Fresca, 10 out of 10. And oh, I need to say Connor's line. You can never go wrong with soda, guys. And then that's it. So final review of this place, really good. Probably one of my favorite restaurants in Ixtapa. So I'll give this a 9.5 out of 10. And now we're gonna go see some fireworks, and yeah, let's go. Okay guys, now we're gonna review dessert. We have flan and chocolate cake. You guys review chocolate cake and I'll review the flan, okay? I gotta try both. Okay.
I'm just getting vanilla cake.
Hold on, got a big piece. I'll just eat it. Oh. Alright.
Prueban el pastel.
rather have like cake or something, but as a backup, I would have this, and it's pretty good. So I'll give the flan a 8 out of 10. I also remember trying the flan de cabeza, but I feel like this one might be better than that one. So I'll give this, yeah, an 8 out of 10. Now I'll try the chocolate cake. I actually don't like a lot of chocolate, but I'll have this anyway. It's actually good. I don't like super chocolatey things, but this cake was actually good. So I'll give this one a 8.5 out of 10. It was really good. Pretty good chocolate. Anyway, that was our dessert review, and now we'll go see the fireworks. Happy New Year, and see you in the next video. Bye.